Alright, thanks for tuning in to Backpacking or Bust. Today we are taking apart the HP Omen X16. This model is the i7 3070 video card model. We're going to be cleaning the GPU and the CPU fans. So far I've gotten the back off the laptop and checking out the fans to see how much gunk and how much stuff's kind of built up in there. So this is over like a year and a half of usage, and I did a lot of traveling with it, so it did build up, and I probably should have taken it apart and cleaned it before, but at this point it was affecting its ability to dissipate heat, so it was starting to overheat during like gaming, things like that. So I've got the back off. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the removal technique for this, and I came up with an idea with a shop vac that's in the garage. So in a minute or so we're gonna move over into the garage and get started with the actual cleaning of the GPU and the CPU fans on this Hewlett Packard X16. Alright, so I've moved into the garage where I had the shop vac. So what I'm using is a watchmaker's screwdriver flathead, and I've got the shop vac on full, and I'm starting from the base of the fan and kind of sliding outward and under and pulling everything up and out and letting the shop vac suck it all up. It's definitely strong enough that nothing's gonna fall into the fan, so this is as effective in a way as I could come up with to get the gunk out of the laptop and get the fans as free spinning as possible. So for the next 2 or 3 minutes, I just at this speed, I worked at getting that gunk off, getting it sucked up in the shop vac, and getting the fans free. At the very end, I put the shop vac directly on top of the fan housing to make sure that the fans would spin freely, which they did. So I didn't think that I'd need any type of fan replacement. It just seemed like the gunk inhibited the airflow enough that it wasn't cooling barely at all. So enjoy me scraping gunk off the fan blades. Alright, in the last scene here, you can see that I'm opening up the laptop and getting ready to test it. I'm going to be using the HP Omen app that comes with the laptop to max out the fan speed. In the video, you'll see me put my hands behind the laptop. I'm checking the airflow. That's pushing tons of air out now. So it looks like this was a success, and it looks like it's going to be ready to be put through its paces as far as gaming and other stuff to make sure it's really got the cooling back to spec. But everything seems good to go on it, so cleaning the fans seems to be a success. The fans function fine, and the laptop's back to good working order.